experimental skit. Please do not try this in your cubicles. Local Boys presents a multi-dimensional melodrama. Confusion. Oh, something. Fusion. The scene is from Times Job Fair where Oracle, Microsoft and Google are recruiting. Doda doda bhaga bhaga sa, doda doda bhaga bhaga sa, doda doda bhaga bhaga sa, doda doda bhaga bhaga sa. Oh, look at those candidates running for the job. It must be some really big companies recruiting. Oh, you got it wrong. Market is so good, it's actually the interviewers running for the candidates. Doda doda bhaga bhaga sa, doda doda bhaga bhaga sa. With much difficulty, our Oracle people convinced 2 candidates to attend an interview. Let's see what happens. Can you tell me about yourself? My name is Veera Venkata Sivasayab Ganesh. In short, Gankes Ganesh. My father's name is Veera Venkata Sivasayab Prasad. Oh, no, that's enough. Can you very briefly tell me about your work ex within 100 words without taking any names? Sir, if I had something to tell, why would I be here? Oh, okay. I'll ask you some technical questions. Do you know Java? No, sir. Okay, I'll ask you questions on that, sir. Can you tell me the types of Java? Sir, there are 2 types. Which ones? Sir, Mar Java, Mid Java. Mar Java, Mid Java. Oh, that's enough. See, since you are from electrical background, can you tell me how an induction motor works? Sir, it is... What happened? Sir, power cut. Okay, since you are no good in technical, let's see if we can do some documentation. Convert the following sentence to exclamatory. 4 beautiful girls are going. Sir, it is wow. Okay, I'll give you one more question. Can you translate this sentence to English? अगर ये काम नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, पर अगर होगा तो होता रहेगा. Sir, it's so simple. If it can't be done, it can't be done. But if it can be done, it can be done. Oh, you are selected for the next round. After 5 more rounds of grueling interviews, it's time for the HR interview. Welcome. You look so shabby. What's wrong? Ma'am, I was clean shaven when I came. By the time I finished 5 rounds, look at my beard. Okay, can you tell me about your strengths? Ma'am, I am very social and good at interpersonal skills. Can you give me an example? Ma'am, I have 500 friends and 10,000 scraps in Orkut. Oh, you know, we at Oracle value cleanliness. Did you clean your feet on the doormat? Yes, ma'am. Then you must also know we value honesty. There is no doormat. Let's move on to the next question. Can you give me an instance where you worked under tremendous pressure and constant stress? Yes, ma'am. I come to office in share auto every day. Oh. We are satisfied with your performance. We are ready to make an offer. For your work ex, we will give you 6 lakhs per annum. Ma'am, Microsoft has already offered me 9 lakhs. Oh, just a minute. Ting. Ma'am, I'll accept your offer. No problem. At the same time, another interviewer is being given by a second candidate. Excuse me. Okay. What is your name? Sir, my name is Loose Case Lakshmi. Huh? Where were you born? Sir, I was born in Kerala. Which part? Sir, all of me, why? No, I mean which city were you born in? Sir, I was born in Tiruvananthapuram. Can you spell it? Actually, make it Goa. Which college are you from? Sir, I am from Idhar-Udhar Institute of Technology. Is it? In my 10 years of work, I have never heard of it. Sir, I am not surprised. I had also never heard before admission. Now, it's time for your technical interviews. Round 1. What comes first? Chicken or egg? Sir, whatever you order first will come first. Oh, very good. Let's go to a functional interview. Wait here. Welcome. Okay, here is your question. What comes first? Chicken or egg? Sir, whatever you order first comes first. Oh, very good. You are selected for the next round. Let's take your logical interview. Hello, welcome. Okay. What comes first? Chicken or egg? Sir, whatever you order first will come first. Okay, very good. You are selected for the HR round. Okay. Hello, how did your interviews go till now? Ma'am, why do they keep asking the same question again and again? Oh, don't bother, they are from the regression testing team. Okay. Okay. Can you walk me through a typical day after you get up in the morning? Sorry, ma'am. I only get up in the afternoon. Oh. Are you interested in any books? Yes, ma'am. Very much. What books? Checkbooks. Oh. See, we are satisfied with your performance. You will be given 6 lakhs for 3 months, and after that, it will be increased to 9 lakhs. When would you like to join? In that case, I'll join after 3 months, ma'am. Oh, okay, I'll give you right now. Please join immediately. On their first day, Gone Case is coming on the bike to office and has a friendly chat with the guard. Can I park here? No, 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 no. Can I park there? No, no, no. Hey, why did you let him park there? He didn't ask me. Oh. Gone Case, Loose Case go to meet their manager. Hello, hello. I am your manager. Welcome to the team. Okay, did you create all the important accounts? Yes, sir, I created Orkut, Sharing Info, Gmail. Oh, you forgot Yahoo, I think. Yes, sir, thank you. Thanks for reminding. Shut up, I say. I was asking about NT, Metalink, etc. Okay, that's okay. Can you tell me what is the best way to remember a deadline? Sir, we don't know. It is just forget it once, then I'll tell you. Since you are new to the team, you can take care of all small things like coding, testing, bug fixing, etc. etc. I will take care of all the big things like patient distribution, food committee, etc. Gone Case and Loose Case are getting acquainted with the new atmosphere. Here is a typical day in a Fusion developer schedule. Hey, how are you man? How are you man? Yo. Hey, आज तो बहुत काम है यार. चल जाके टीटी खेलते हैं. चल यार बहुत बोर हो गया. पूल खेलते हैं. यार क्या टाइम हुआ? 6 बज गया. चल घर चलते हैं. Okay. Let's take a look at a Fusion strategy meeting. I think we should. No. We should try it my way. I don't like this at all here. Hey, I think HR should come up with something on this. There is no policy defined. After long and deep deliberations, they all come to a conclusion. So finally, we all agree that we should order 2 large pizzas with onion, cheese and Pepsi. Okay. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavana Sitaram. Oh, Oracle is a very religious company. Look at all those people praying. They usually do that before our canteen lunch. In the canteen, Loose Case orders his first meal. Oh God, there is a cockroach in my lunch. Hey! Congratulations. What for? You just got the 100th cockroach of the month. Distinguished, disgraced, he goes to the caterer to complain. अरे ये क्या है? खाने में कॉकरोच? सर क्या सर? एक येलो कूपन में नॉनवेज दे रहे हैं, उसके लिए भी कंप्लेन करते हैं. Realizing the importance of health, Gone Case and Loose Case proceed to the gym. They see lots of activity in the gym. One employee complaining to the coach. What sir? 3 महीने से डेली 2 घंटे ट्रेडमिल चला रही हूँ, कुछ डिफरेंस ही नहीं हो रहा है. अरे ट्रेडमिल चलाने से कुछ नहीं होता है, उस पर चलना भी पड़ता है. Sir, I want to join the gym. Were you doing any workouts before? Sir, I was going for horse riding before this. Oh, did you gain any weight? Sir, I didn't gain, but horse lost 10 kg. Oh, after a tiring hour in the gym, Gone Case heads home. At Gone Case home, his wife is in front of the mirror. Aji, sunte ho, I look so fat. Also have so many wrinkles. If you still love me, give me a compliment right now. Your eyesight is very good. क्या जी, आपको तो मेरी परवाह ही नहीं है. प्यार करने वाले किसी की परवाह नहीं करते. जी, आप एक कंपनी में करते क्या हो? हम लोग लॉजिक वाला काम करते हैं. अजी, हिस्ट्री सुना, हिंदी सुना, मैथ सुना, पर ये लॉजिक क्या चीज़ है? देख मैं समझाता हूँ. प्लेट में कितने लड्डू है? 1, और दूसरा तेरे हाथ में है, तो 1 और 2 कितने हुए? 3. ये होता है लॉजिक, समझी? ठीक है जी, ये 2 लड्डू मैं खा लेती हूँ, लॉजिक वाला लड्डू आप खा लेना. At that time, Loose Case comes visiting home. He sees Gone Case playing chess with his dog. Hey, your dog is so smart it can play chess. Arey, it's not that so smart. It lost 3 out of 5 games. At night, Gone Case is being troubled by a mosquito constantly. पकड़ लिया. तूने मुझे 2 घंटे से सोने नहीं दिया, अब मेरी पारी है, ये ले. The mosquito has the most two miserable hours of its short life. After the sleepless night, gone cases Lucius reach her office next day. Early in the morning. Tring, tring.
Sir, we are calling from ICICI, sir. Do you want any platinum credit card, sir?
I am watchman here. You will give me credit card?
Oh,
न जाने कहाँ से आ जाते हैं. Tring, tring.
sir, we are calling from HDFC, sir. Do you want personal loan, sir?
No, I don't want personal loans. Look, I have work. Why don't you call my manager?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Tring, tring.
Sir, we are calling from Standard Chartered, sir. Do you want any credit card, sir?
See, I don't want credit card. I already have 4.
तो एक और ले लीजिए सर ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Oh, by the time it's evening, Lucius has already received about 20 calls. Now for the next call. Tring, tring.
Sir, we are calling from ICICI. Do you want life insurance, sir? If you die, we'll give you 20 lakhs to your family.
Oh, is it? You should have called me in the morning because I'm already dead taking your calls.
Oh, thank you, sir. Then I'll call you tomorrow morning.
Oh, totally stressed out by the calls. Lucius decides to take the help from Employee Assistance Helpline at their clinic. Next. Oh. Hello, doctor. Hello. I keep thinking that I'm a dog. Oh, since when do you have this problem? Since I was a puppy. Next. Oh, doctor. I keep forgetting things. Oh, since when do you have this problem? What problem? Oh, next. Doctor, everyone neglects me. Next. Looking at the kind of people there, Lucius decided to head back. On his way to office, Lucius decided to take the RTS bus in caught in a traffic jam at Panjagutta. अरे कंडक्टर साहब, ये बस तो इतना स्लो जा रहा है, मैं नीचे उतर के लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस कॉल करके फिर भाग के चढ़ सकता हूँ. अरे भाग के मत चढ़ना, अगले बस में पहुंच जाओगे. At the Oracle gate. Hi there, this is Cyrus and welcome to MTV Bakra. Excuse me, may I know your name? I am Lucius. Oh, what do you do, Mr. Lucius? I am a software engineer. Oh, okay, thank you for your time. गधे को बकरा बनाने में बहुत फाइट है यार. अरे यार, वो रिक्रूटमेंट में 2 लड़कियां देखी थी, आज तक नहीं दिखी है यार. बेटा, हाथी के दांत दिखाने के अलग और चबाने के अलग होते हैं. और वैसे भी शादी के बाद ये सब. Hey, what are you saying? I kiss my wife every day before I leave to office. Big deal. Even I do that after you leave. अबे sir. In due course of time, Gone Case and Loose Case got a chance to visit HQ for an all-hands meeting. On reaching US, they rent a car. अबे तुझे मालूम है ना, इधर राइट साइड में जाना पड़ता है. अरे हैदराबाद में कौन सा लेफ्ट साइड में चलाते हैं. There is HQ for the Holland. Let's say Q&A at the Holland. Oh, this is a very good time for Oracle. Anybody ask questions? Sir, I have a question. When is Larry coming to India? Oh, you will have to ask that to Larry. Okay, sir. Sir, I have a question. When is the next hike? Oh, we'll take a short break here. Okay. Sir, I have 2 questions. Okay, what is it? Sir, when is the next hike and where is the guy who asked for the hike? Okay. Yes, after the all hands. यार, ये Oracle वाली जैकेट के हाथ ही नहीं है यार. अरे वो तो all hands में चले गए ना. For lack of time, let's get into a time wrap and see forward 20 years to the year 2020. With constant recruitment freeze in the US, the HQ has been shifted to Hyderabad. Gone Case has become the VP of Fusion Sustenance. And Loose Case is heading the next generation application codenamed Jai Hanuman. Let's see this all hands being done in India now. This is an extremely good time to be now at let's see what's it. Anybody has any questions? Sir, I have a question. When is Larry coming to the US? Oh, you have to ask that to him. Larry, I have a question for you. What do you think of the competition coming from Google in application space? Music. Oracle के competitors की यही गलती है कि वो Oracle के competitors है. अवैतल से बचने की कोशिश तो 11 मुल्कों की कंपनी कर रही है, लेकिन एक बात समझ लो, अवैतल से बचना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है. Thank you. Now for the moral of the skit. If you follow all morals, you can never make a skit. But if you follow all skits, you may always find a moral. Debuting today, Vivek from Oasis, Vikas from Benefits, Lakshmi from HRMS, Ram Prasad Larry from HRMS, and people Amrita from HRMS, Swati from HRMS, and Bala from HRMS. Thanking you myself, Vinay. Thank you.